Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your hardware and permissions. You must enable developer mode on the headset and allow sideloading. This opens the door to non-store apps. Once done, connect the headset to your PC via USB-C or set up Wi-Fi ADB so file transfer is faster. Make sure the Lightning Launcher VR APK is downloaded to a known folder on your computer or phone. This avoids hunting during installation. Now proceed to the transfer step, because without the APK and ADB connection, you cannot install. Next, install the APK using ADB or a sideload tool like SideQuest. Run a DB install followed by the full file path and watch for a success message. After installation, launch Lightning Launcher VR in the headset and accept runtime permissions, overlays, storage, and microphone if requested, because the app needs them to display and load assets. Configure your play area settings, choose room scale versus seated and calibrate controllers. Finally, import any saved scenes or start a new layout to check functionality and visuals. Finish by fine-tuning preferences and verifying controller bindings, graphic scale, and performance options so interactions feel natural. If you encounter crashes or missing assets, update the APK to the latest build and restart the headset. Make sure background apps are closed to free memory. If problems persist, clear app data or reinstall after backing up scenes. For deeper diagnostics, enable developer logging and run a DB logcat to capture errors. This gives you actionable messages to fix compatibility or permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.